Hello students, now I am discussing some problems of exercise 2.2. Very first, that is question number 16. Find the value of sine inverse sine of 2 pi by 3. Now, since inverse trigonometric function sine inverse, principal branch value of sine inverse is minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. And here 2 pi by 3 is given. So since 2 pi by 3 doesn't lie between minus pi by 2 से pi by 2, therefore this function is not invertible. That means their composition doesn't becomes identity. So that's why we have to change it. Now in 11th class we have studied ki sine of pi minus theta. Sine of pi minus theta, that means this quadrant, second quadrant. In second quadrant sine is positive, so this is equals to sine theta. So you can change sine 2 pi by 3 that means अगर हम यहाँ साइन 2 पाई बाई 3 होना चाहिए मेरे पास इक्वल. So if pi minus sine theta, pi minus theta equals to sine theta, that means sine 2 pi by 3. So now pi minus 2 pi by 3, that is sine of pi by 3. So this is equals to sine 2 pi by 3. दोनों की वैल्यू यहाँ पर क्या होगी, सेम होगी. So you can put at the place of sine 2 pi by 3 sine pi by 3, that means sine inverse of sine pi by 3. Now you can see that कि pi by 3 must belongs to minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. That means this is invertible here. So their composition becomes a identity. So answer is pi by 3. Now we are doing question number 17th. Find the value of tangent inverse tangent of 3 pi by 4. Here also 3 pi by 4 doesn't contain in principal branch value of tangent inverse. So principal branch value of tangent inverse, that is minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. So 3 pi by 4 doesn't belongs to minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. 3 pi by 4. 3 pi by 4, that means in second quadrant. In second quadrant tangent is negative. Okay. Minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. अब minus pi by 2 से pi by 2, that means this and this quadrant. तो here also tangent is negative. That means जो हमारा आंसर होगा वो यहाँ और यहाँ दोनों वैल्यूज क्या होंगी, बिल्कुल सेम होंगी. सो टेंजेंट ऑफ 3 पाई बाय 4, दिस इज इक्वल्स टू टेंजेंट ऑफ पाई माइनस पाई बाय 4. अब 3 पाई बाय 4 यू कैन राइट इट एज पाई माइनस थीटा, यानी पाई माइनस पाई बाय 4. In 11th standard we have studied that tangent of pi minus theta, because in second quadrant it is negative, then it's become minus tangent of theta. That means this becomes minus tangent of pi by 4. And tangent of minus theta, this is equals to minus tangent theta. So here minus tangent theta, that means this becomes a tangent of minus pi by 4. Now minus pi by 4 lies between minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. Minus pi by 4 belongs to minus pi by 2 से pi by 2. That's why tangent inverse of tangent 3 pi by 4 can be written as tangent inverse of tangent minus pi by 4. Now it is invertible, that means their composition becomes identity. So your answer is minus pi by 4. Now question number 18th, find the value of tangent sine inverse 3 by 5 plus cot inverse 3 by 2. Because here tangent is given and in this angle, if we take tangent inverse, then their composition becomes identity and remaining is your answer. Now change it, put x equals to sine inverse 3 by 5. You can change it in the form of tangent inverse. Now to 3 by 5, this is equals to sine x. You can change it in two ways. First of all, cos x, this is equals to root of 1 minus sine square x, means to say 1 minus 9 upon 25. This is equals to cos x. Take LCM and 25 minus 9, that is 16 upon 25, and after that its root, that is 4 upon 5. This is equals to cos x, and tangent x, this is sin x upon cos x, that means 3 upon 5 upon 4 upon 5. 5 से 5 cancel, this is 3 upon 4. That means x equals to tangent inverse 3 upon 4. So you can write here tangent inverse 3 upon 4. You can change it by taking sin x equals to 3 by 5. Then it is perpendicular upon hypotenuse. And you can find base by Pythagoras. Perpendicular is 3 and hypotenuse is 5. Then base is root of 5 square minus 3 square, that means 25 minus 9, and after that its square root, that is 4. So now tangent, Pandit Badri Prasad Har Har Bhole, that means sine, cos, tangent. So in tangent, perpendicular upon base, perpendicular is 3 and base is 4. That's why this is equals to 3 upon 4. That means tangent x equals to 3 upon 4. After that, cot inverse of 3 by 2. This can be changed in tangent inverse of 2 by 3. Because modulus of x is greater than or equals to 1. यहाँ 3 by 2 है, 3 by 2 आपके पास greater than 1 है. So you can change it. So now that function becomes tangent of tangent inverse 3 upon 4 plus tangent inverse 2 by 3. Now tangent inverse x plus tangent inverse y. Now apply the formula. Tangent of tangent inverse 3 by 4 plus 2 by 3 upon 1 minus 3 by 4 into 2 by 3. This is equals to tangent of tangent inverse. LCM of 4 and 3, that is 12. 9 plus 8 upon 1 minus 6 upon 12. This is equals to tangent of tangent inverse 17 upon 6. Now it becomes a identity. So this is equals to 17 upon 6.